Give me your money.
That's my money.
Give me your money. I'm not taking your money. I need your damn $6. Relax. If you don't quit pulling around, who the f you think you are? You need to relax.
On June 16th, 2025, police responded to a 7-Eleven after an employee caught a 75-year-old man on camera stealing sunglasses in 4K.
Yes.
Is that your hat?
Yes.
Okay, I just know if you dropped. Were you just in an argument with somebody at Publix? Somebody called about you, said they were arguing with you at Publix.
No. We ain't done a goddamn thing to nobody.
You need to settle down.
Huh? I'm 75
Settle down. I don't care how old you are.
I come up in this racist shit.
Listen, I don't care how old you are. I told you we're here for something. I don't need you to elevate it.
What I done wrong? What?
Relax.
I can't relax. I got a heart problem. I come out the hospital.
No, I don't care. I
know you don't care.
I don't care. You're not leaving. You leave, you're going to jail, Mr. Newsom. And I'm sure.
What have I done wrong?
If I search stuff.
What have I done wrong? So what?
Oh, from this store you stole some?
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Newsom, see? Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Hands behind your back, sir.
Where's the other one?
In there.
These man, don't get my shade.
Yeah, they're not. Stop fighting with me, Mr. Newsom.
What, that's too tight, sir. Too tight.
Well, it's because you're pulling away and fighting. If you'd quit being like that, you were.
For you, you're so damn fast.
It's too tight, sir. It's too tight. I got blood back too tight.
Relax, I'll fix them. But
Okay,
you're
thank
pulling
you.
away and being a menace right now.
I got them
Give me your hand.
if you need the video.
Give me your money.
That's my money.
Give me your money.
That's my money, bro.
I'm not taking your money. I need your damn $6. Relax.
That's more than $6.
I don't care.
That's more than $6,
It's back
sir.
in your pocket. Shut up.
You shut up.
Shut up.
My brother was a police.
I don't know. He's not. Shut up.
Yes, he is a police officer.
If you don't stop pulling away, I'm not going to be able to adjust it, and you're going to stay tight as fuck. You understand me?
Why you cussing me though?
Because you're cussing at me, saying this is racist shit. This isn't racist. Stop stealing things. You're a thief.
Sir,
If you don't quit pulling around,
Okay, please tighten up.
who the fuck you think you are? You need to relax.
Jesus Christ, man.
In Jesus Christ, you're out there smoking crack on 9th and Central. We get you with that. You come out, you start stealing stuff. I know exactly who you are. You smoke crack. I just got you with crack 3 weeks ago.
Not me.
Yes, you.
No, not Ernest Newsom, sir.
Yes, it was Mr. Ernest Newsom. Will you stop falling?
I can't help from falling, sir.
I'm holding you up and you're pulling away from me. You don't weigh that much. I can hold you, but when you pull away from me, you hit the car and you make it look like something that's not. I don't play dumb fucking games with people.
Why you cussing me like this?
Because you're cussing it. Face the car like I told you to. This is a very simple instruction. I'm not going to sit here and keep playing with you, Mr. Newsom. It's been too damn long I've been playing with you. We're not doing this stuff. You're out there smoking crack and doing whatever else you're doing on 9th and Central. We're done with it. I'm tired of dealing with you about it. I did. I promise you I did.
I promise you.
Okay. Because you just got out of prison and then I arrested you for crack. Get in there.
Okay, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you. Sir.
All the way in.
Okay, push back over my head, bro.
All the way in.
Push back over my head, bro.
I'm not pushing anything.
Yeah, push you up, yeah. Okay.
Go. You still that too?
No, I ain't stole that, sir.
Why is the thing still in there?
Because I just said then that
All
one
right,
too.
well, I'm going to go check if you stole this too.
She just kissed you.
Get in the car.
Wrong, man.
If you don't quit kicking my damn car. No.
I'm burning up. I got this jacket. I'm burning up. Please, sir.
The AC is on. It's not hot. Relax.
Please,
you don't quit kicking the damn car.
That's why I keep you, sir. It's just hot. I'm burning.
No. The AC is on. It's not hot in here. The temperature is currently 70 degrees in my car.
I'm sweating, sir.
No. Stop.
Okay, I'll take the jacket off again, sir.
The jacket is on because you were walking around in the dark and the dog won't heat with it.
I don't have a better picture than that.
That's okay. Yeah, we already seen him take the price tags off. And they're the ones that we pulled out of they were sitting in his crate, and the one was inside of his crate. So we had three of them at least.
3.
And then this was at 1240 something, so it's going on 110. So no telling what he did with the other pair that you said that he took, the 4th.
Yeah.
Do you happen to have could you do like a dummy receipt or anything like for 4 of those pairs of glasses?
I can.
And that way I can submit that, and then I can go ahead and charge. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
I got you.
And then that way I can go ahead and submit it, and then we'll kind of.
We got the product back. I'm okay with the product back, but penalize his butt. So I'm gonna just do 4 of the same here.
Yeah, that's
they
fine.
were all.
Yeah, if they all ring up the same, that's fine.
Dispatch 1 call 2 1074.
10-4, 10-10, come out.
Jesus. Yeah.
Gas station, sunglasses?
Yeah, each was four of them. Each one was like $20.
I guess that makes sense.
Nope. I'm all good. Appreciate it. Yeah, well, he can tell the jail nurse. If he'd stop smoking crack, he'd feel okay. Weird. Yeah, so keep lying to yourself, sir. Nope. Don't have to. Okay, we'll be at the jail soon.
You don't care. He flies better than you, man.
Okay.
You big and you don't like yourself. I'm when you was in high school, you got to throw some black kids, they beat you up, you beat them. Something happened. Something happened, man.
You did. You did.
You cussing me?
You did as well. I talk to people how they respond. You don't respond to people being nice to you.
Dispatch 1 call 5, flying call 4, 1065, signal 22, zone 6. It's going to be at the Juvenile Center for Children and Families, 2688 Fruitville Road, across of North Euclid Avenue. Verbal with employees. Subject in the...
He was arrested and transported to jail, charged with felony Petit theft. Did he really think stealing sunglasses was worth all this? All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.